As some of you may have noticed here lately, I haven't been over at Colin's house in the recent videos. I've been working on something here at the house. One thing, I put some better tires on the TTR 125. I got rid of these butt-busting tires, and they don't do too good in the sand. And I got a little better lighting I'm working on. I haven't finished it up yet, but I'll show you what I've started. I mounted me some fog lights on the front. You know, the front plastic plate is flexible, so I put something to brace it on the back side. It seems to do pretty good. And these are tried and true. I've used them in many different things before. Well, I've decided to upgrade the back tire on the TTR 125. I'm getting rid of this because it doesn't like sand very well. Putting this Geomax MX12. It's a mud and sand tire. I mean, look how deep these are. I mean, it's like a finger depth. I mean, look, my thumb will about disappear behind that lug. I think it'll do pretty good. Yeah, I got me a front tire too. Check this out. Well, the next thing you want to do is go all the way around both sides of your tire and break it off the bead with your hand. Hopefully it's as easy as it was for me. I was very surprised how easy it was to break loose. Okay, I went all the way around the one side of the tire and got it broke loose. We'll have to see what happens with the other side. As you can tell, I didn't record me changing them tires. I'm no professional at doing it, and I'm not going to sit there and struggle on camera for 20-30 minutes each tire doing it. So, bam. Movie magic. The power of editing. They're on the bike already. Yes, that's another inner tube where I punctured one trying to change the tires. If you've changed tires before, you know the struggle. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is put some hand guards on there. I've got some wraparounds here from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below, but they're going to go right here. And I'll show you my process. First, I'm going to start off by cutting the end of the handle grip off. Well, I took my knife and I cut the end of it off. And right here on the end, I got to clearance it so this ain't in the way. It looks like it might be easier than I thought it was going to be, because it might be broken. But I'm going to clean this up a little bit with a razor knife. Alright, I got to do the same thing to this end here and cut it off. Okay, in the package that you get, you're going to get like a little cone piece, a sleeve, and this sleeve has slots in it, so it'll open it wider when that cone pushes up in it. Well, that part goes inside your handlebars. This other end here goes up here and tightens up. And that'll protect your levers if you ever fall or wreck, hit a tree when you go by it. Things happen. Well, this is what it looks like after it's installed. Some good protection. Alright, got all the bolts tightened up on it, and I'm ready to go riding. And hopefully I don't have to test them out. Well, they're there to catch it if I do fall. Alright, now to get all these old stickers off here and rub it down with rubbing alcohol. Not too bad. Not too bad for the first time. I've never put decals on a dirt bike before. Here's what I ended up with. Alright, that'll be all for this video. If you like what you've seen, or if you got any ideas for the TTR 125, like and subscribe. Give me some ideas underneath this video. This is just an ongoing small project. Hopefully next video you'll see and I'll be riding it. Till next time, get up, get out there, get after it.